come home from somewhere and there's a package on your porch, you're like, I don't remember ordering anything. Well, that happened to me the other day with my husband in the car, and this was on my porch. And after him asking me what I ordered and I'm telling him I didn't, we decided to look at the label, and turns out I got a gift from L'Oreal Professionnel. As a regional educator with L'Oreal Professionnel, I do get boxes and samples to go around and share with my salons. So today we're going to open this one together and see what is inside. So the other day I did get my new Metal Detox collection, which I'm pretty excited about. And I'm just going to show you the inside because I love the way these presenter boxes are. They look so good. So we have our Metal Detox in there. So I have a feeling it's Metal Detox related, but we're going to open it together and find out. So without further ado, let's do that. And hopefully we get something, I mean, I shouldn't say that. I always think like, hopefully I get something really good, but honestly, I always get something really good. I'm kind of spoiled. Okay, so here's what we've got. So let's take the paper out and not crush my steam pod. Oh! Okay. So first things first, there's a sample of the clay lightener powder. So that's awesome. I love these little sample packets. They work out really, really nicely when you're trying a new product. So super excited for that. We have a back bar size of the Metal Detox sulfate-free shampoo. So that's exciting. We also have the anti-deposit protector. So this would be the conditioner. I'm going to move my steam pod. We also have the Metal Detox mask. This is also an anti-deposit protector. Oh my gosh. This, I wish you could smell this, but this smells so good. And look how creamy this is. Let's put this on real quick. Oh my gosh, it's so light. And that just absorbed right into my hand. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. And of course, we also have our Metal Detox neutralizer, which comes in the box. So we have that as well. So I have a nice big full set of Metal Detox here. And there's more, but wait, there's more. Okay. So we also have our Metal Detox issue of the unique art. So that's really super exciting. We're definitely going to have to go through that as well. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. That's just my little thing. We are empty, but I've got a really nice large sizes of the Metal Detox. If you haven't heard of Metal Detox yet, or you're wondering what it is, please send me a DM and we can go ahead and get your salon scheduled for your in-salon class on Metal Detox. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm Athena, your regional educator with L'Oreal Professionnel, and I'll see you again real soon.